Hello, what's up guys, it's me Bimun Diengdoh and I'm back again with another vlog after a long time. I'm on my way for running guys, and if you have seen my previous video, then let me show you guys the place that I shoot was there. And yeah guys, if you can see the Star Wars, that was where I went before. Guys, so this is where we used to run, and let me show you the ground. Yeah guys, so we have to start from here and then we'll go till the end, and then we'll come back like this. We'll come back from there, and then one round is about 625 meter, and yeah guys, it depends on which track you take. If you take this one, then it's 625 meter, and if you take a different track, then it'll be different guys. And yeah guys, as you can see, and these little mountain guys are made to create obstacle for a group of boys who come to play football, because if they play football, then they usually wear boots, and when they play, the grass will become bad and the soil will come out, and when the rainwater comes, it will wash away, so it will create soil erosion, right? So in order to prevent that, they made these little mountain, or little, I don't know, maybe little pyramid also. There's also a hole here. They dig this hole in order to fill with sand, in order to create obstacle for the golfer. And this hole is actually dig in the shape of a love symbol, or a love sign. So yeah guys, but it actually looked nice before, because it was like plain and no holes, no little mountains like that. But now it does look a little bit, it doesn't look okay. It's not like before. Before it looks very good right here, but now it's like this. I'll start the run now, and my today's target is 6 rounds. So yeah, let's see if I can go 6 rounds or not. And while I'm running, my brother will take over the vlog. So yeah.
So guys, Bimun is on his way right now, and he's gonna have to run 6 rounds around this straight, and then turn.
One round. Second round. Last round, sprint. Sprint it. Come on. Come on, run. Sprint.
Well, that was tough guys, but at least I tried, and at least I completed 6 rounds. Tomorrow will be a new target, new challenge, and yeah, we'll see tomorrow.